Whee! Hiya guys, it's Kevin from the Tool Connection again. Welcome to Stay Connected. Hiya guys, just going to go through a couple of products for your drill as well as your impact driver. First product I'd like to go through is actually an angled chuck key. This will fit into your normal drills. All you've got to do, pop it in, tighten it up. Once it's tightened, you also have the chuck key with it. This is to get into any difficult access areas. Once it's locked in, you can actually do this from any angle. The next two products I'd like to go through is for your impact driver. You've got the magnetic angled bit driver as well as your extra long flexible one as well. It's on a quick release, pop it straight in, and you can do it from any angle or direction you need to. Releasing that one, and I'll go into the flexible one. Again, simple as putting it in, and you can move this into any direction you need to. Right guys, have you ever come across a situation where you've dropped a nut into a place where you can't even get to? We've got this set of thin nose and flat nose pliers, double jointed to get into the smallest areas. We also have, in the addition, is your cutters, again for difficult access. So remember guys, if you dropped a nut or a bolt and you can't get to it because it's in a difficult area, these double nose pliers are perfect for the job. Right guys, next product I'm going to go through is your auxiliary belt spanner set. Great thing about this one is it's a 17 on the end, fully adjustable and lockable in any direction. So it also gets into all your difficult access areas. You have the extension on here for any offset directions. Included in the kit, you do have your star sockets, E10 all the way up to E18, and then you've also got your 8mm all the way up to your 24. Included in the set, you also get your magnetic bit holder. The bits that you do get with it are your Torx, as well as your hex, and a posi, as well as your T60. Let me take you over to the vehicle to show you how it works. So in modern vehicles, the access can be really difficult. Have a look at this one. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do it on this engine here. As you can see, if I end up angling it in the wrong direction, I'm going to be very limited to access there. So let's angle it up there. Once it's locked in, you can pull it and release the tension that way. Also, if the access is very limited, you can use this extension here. Pop that in, sock it on, and you can also do it a little bit offset from where you need to be. Have you come across a situation where you're ever working underneath the dash and it's quite uncomfortable, for example like this? Well, we've got the solution for you. So whether you're taking a nap or you're actually working underneath the dash, this is a perfect tool for you. So So the last product of today is going to be this fantastic little kneeling mat with lights in it. Great thing is, coming to your 2-poster ramps, you can actually see where your leg needs to go. Another great product by Laser Tools. Right guys, that's enough for us this week. So remember, stay connected, stay safe.